Hi, Jen Baker here, continuing on our exploration of multiphonics. So now if you're feeling pretty good about your voice playing and singing along with the trombone at the same time, getting used to how it feels with different intervals, getting used to using a little different kind of oomph with your voice and changing your embouchure, you're ready to do a little bit of exploration. So this is the fun part for me. I love to improvise, and I've improvised for years before even starting to write this book. So I hope that you'll take some time to really do whatever improv makes sense to you. So in examples 1.7 and 1.8, I gave a little launch pad to start. You can supplant that with anything that works for you. And just be sure that you're focusing on a couple of different basic principles. So to start, in 1.7, I'm just doing a static trombone tone on the second and third partial, B flat and F. That's important because that's your sweet spot on the trombone. That's really where you want to spend your time focusing on improv and getting used to the feel, because that is where you have the maximum flexibility and maneuverability. We really want to use that space there in the second and third partials to do as much exploration as we can before venturing out into the higher and lower ranges where you'll have a little bit of constriction by natural, the acoustic principles. So here we go with any kind of pitch can work. I just threw out some notes there on the page. You don't have to follow those. So then on the third partial F, a little bit of unison in the end. And then when we go on to example 1.8, we start doing a little more both the trombone and the voice are moving. So we have some parallel motion in the first example, which do as you wish with it. I really take my inspiration from Gregorian chant and organum, so you can take from wherever you like. And then in the second example, a little bit more contrary motion, sort of like in a Bach chorale. Might have missed one of those intervals, but any kind of direction that you're taking in opposite directions really is what matters here. So playing around a little bit with harmonics too is really fun. And finally, try going with some suspensions. See how it feels when you're going back and forth, moving the instrument versus the voice and the difference. Just start noticing it for now. You don't really have to do anything technical to change yet.